Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to check when your Facebook account was created. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now after this, you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy, and here you can now tap on settings again, and after this you can just simply scroll down, and in the your information section you can see the option access your information. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on personal information, and here you can see the option your account creation date. The date that you created your account is 9 July 2024, and it is a way you can see when your Facebook account was created. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.